and let's go. We're going on Hunger Games. I actually played this biome before. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Suck it. Oh my god, I already have 3 kills. Oh, come on. Jeez. Jeez. Oh my god, I know exactly what I have to do. I have to try to get to the spawn and then just start spawn killing all of them. How am I not killing him? Okay, that's just stupid. Okay, good, you killed him. Now let's go over there and spawn kill him. Got him. Ugh. Darn it. Let's sneak up on me or something. Okay. We're winning, guys. We're winning because of me, obviously. And the purple team sucks, but... Oh my god. Jeez, that's embarrassing, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Fudge it. Fudge it, you guys all suck. Yes, die, die, you die. You guys all have to die. Whew. Nice. I am on a roll. I'm on a roll for show. What the fudge? Oh, oh my god. Oh, darn it. Come on, just get him. Okay. There you go. Very good, very good. Oh my god. No. Okay. We're winning. I see you. Whew, 13 kills. Not better than last time, guys. Oh god. Nice. 17 kills. Okay. What can I get? Uh, um, I don't, how about strong arm? What? Oh, okay, that's just bull right there. Okay, good. For a second, I thought it was like, I just bought something right before it ended. I guess, thanks for watching part 2. I hope you enjoyed. And, yeah, this is the Hypixel server, and, yeah, guys, peace out.